Cold Mafia, we back with another review, y'all. Wanted to come get some my sweet tooth out my face, you feel what I'm saying? Get the Krispy Kreme. We gonna see what Krispy Kreme's got. See if they got something new. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Going here. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
My
man.
man get something too. Stop bluffing. Feel me? Sheesh. That man is so long, bro. Look, that's fire.
Yo.
That's fire. How you doing? That's a freshly made one. Which ones are those? Blueberry? Fresh ones. You gonna lie, I'm gonna have to get the blueberry Jones. I want the blueberry fresh off. Y'all have like something new? Y'all have something new in the middle? Try something new?
So Sunday, that's when our donut starts.
Sunday. Thank you for telling me Pop-Tarts. Okay, we got Pop-Tarts coming Sunday. You're gonna have me come back Sunday.
No, we have to come back Monday.
Oh, come back Monday?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
I think that's
Monday.
Monday's the 16th. They start Monday.
Alright. Alright, so I'll be back Monday and Tuesday. So what's the best thing here like besides that?
Besides that,
Yeah. What you get like?
the chocolate ice is pretty popular.
Chocolate ice?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I guess let me see. How much for 4? 3 pads. Let's see if I can get the hat. Do. I just gotta load this joint up. Well, they got the cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon rolls good?
I only have one. Okay, 4 hands on them.
That mean they good. That mean they good.
They're better when they're fresh.
They better,
They're
thank
just
you.
coming out. We get 4 hands.
Alright, so will y'all make them in the morning? Or?
We make them right through the day because I'm the older one here. Cashier phone out. I can't make it.
So when the best time to come back? For the cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna buy something now.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Second shift starts at 2, so normally we start at around 3.
Okay.
For
So
second
like,
shift, but morning shift, I never do.
So like-
I can't tell.
Okay.
I know they make them in the morning.
alright. That. Alright, so I'm gonna come back and get that. What's the 3-pack? How much is the 3-pack donut?
6 something for the assorted and the same days, so 5.
I'm gonna get the 3-pack. We'll get the 3-pack. I'm gonna get 2 blueberry French joints coming out. And one of the ones you
Chocolate ice?
said. Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you so much.
As y'all can see.
She's about to mess with it, bro. They fresh out. She said, look, well, you gotta get the process. We're gonna walk over there and get the whole process. Come back Monday for the new.
Look, y'all.
So y'all get ready for like Valentine's Day.
It's the whole process, man. Look at that.
I don't know what's wrong with that machine. I came in and the girl showed it to me. She said, you can't do nothing about that.
Wow.
Spitting Christmas season. Ain't nobody coming out here to fix nothing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Look, as soon as it turns, we get a 70-day degree weather, they gonna come out.
They gonna come out.
I appreciate you so
You're
much.
welcome.
You
Thank
probably get
you.
something else. You probably get something. Look at this. Ooh, fresh out, y'all. Sheesh. fresh out.
Mm.
You want to try? I have one cinnamon roll. You want to try?
You talking to me?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Thank you. I appreciate you. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna try these. This blueberry fresh off the joint. Fresh oil. Y'all seen them being made. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Yo. Oh my, I got a franchise one of these. You just so it'll melt in your mouth, no diddy, melt in your mouth. Bro. Take a piece of this, bro. Take a piece of this. Take a piece of this. Thank you so much. See, it dry. It melts right. It melts. It's fresh off.
Oh my. Oh my goodness.
Fall in love. Make you fall in love, you heard? Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Cream.
Shout out to Krispy Kreme, man.
You gonna grab something now, yo?
Right there, bro. That shit is.
Fire. Wow. Look, you got the shit dripping. Got the Glazed dripping. Fire. Fresh donuts, y'all. Y'all don't know, now y'all know. If you know, you know. You know, you know. I'm gonna lie, this made my day. You have a blessed one. Hopefully I'll see you next week when you... All right.
Well, you won't see me if you come in the morning.
So I'm gonna make sure I come in the afternoon. I wanna come in the afternoon. All right.
Have a good one.
Fire, bro. Good energy, good vibes, great customer service. I might not supposed to be saying this, but I think I just fell in love. You heard?
What? What?
That shit good as shit, yo. And she gave me the cinnamon bun on the free tip. Like, this is fire, bro. Is that one of them fucking drones? Get that, bro.
Let's get the fuck from around,
Is
yo.
that a star? That's not a star.
We out of here, yo. We out of here,
Bitch,
yo.
moving. Fuck is that? YouTube? What's that, yo? YouTube? Krispy Kreme, yo. One of the best donut spots. You heard?
Come on, with the cinnamon bun.
Fire with the cinnamon bun, yo. When you have good energy, people show you love, son. Like I said in the other video, what you put in the universe, it comes back, son.
Yes.
Y'all keep y'all energy and y'all vibrations up, yo. Yo, salute to YouTube for giving a platform for us to do this. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. You heard? We up and we out. Call Mafia Eats. You heard?
You right?